In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Opencl.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we need to know is the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Simply search for the missing DLL and just put download, hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down, and click the download button corresponding to your system type and wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, scroll down to the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. But if you are a 32-bit, go to SYS Wow 64. Right click and then select paste and click on replace the file in the destination. Now once done, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again and search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit Enter. Click on the first match. Scroll down and simply click the link corresponding to your system type and then install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. And also consider to update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for the updates on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.